Most guys think they're just not attractive, but the truth is, you're probably just missing a few small details on your face. And these small mistakes completely change how people see you. In this video, I'll show you 7 face tricks that instantly make you look more attractive. No surgery, no expensive products, just simple fixes that actually work. Let's start. The first thing people notice about you is your eyes. This is where first impressions happen. If your eyes look tired, puffy, or dull, your entire face gives off low energy. Think about it. Even if everything else looks good, tired eyes make you look lazy, unmotivated, or even older than you actually are. So here's what you do. Start your morning by washing your face with cold water. It instantly tightens the skin and reduces puffiness. You can also use ice or a basic under-eye cream, nothing fancy. But the most important part is sleep. If you're sleeping 4 to 5 hours, no product is going to fix that. When your eyes look fresh and awake, people automatically see you as sharper, more present, and more attractive. Next is your eyebrows, and this is something most guys completely ignore. Your eyebrows frame your face. They control how structured or messy your face looks. If your eyebrows are overgrown, uneven, or too thin, it throws off your entire appearance. It might seem like a small thing, but it makes a huge difference. The fix is simple. Clean the area between your brows so you don't have a unibrow. Remove extra hair below the brow line to create a cleaner shape, but don't overdo it. You're not trying to reshape them completely, just clean them up. This small adjustment alone can make your face look sharper and more put together instantly. Now let's talk about your skin. You don't need perfect skin, but you do need clear, healthy-looking skin, because the moment your skin looks rough, oily, or full of acne, it becomes the first thing people notice. And once that happens, it distracts from everything else. The good part is, fixing this doesn't need to be complicated. Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. Use a basic moisturizer to keep your skin balanced, and drink more water than you currently are. Most guys skip this and expect results, but consistency is what changes your skin. When your skin looks clean, your entire face looks cleaner, and that alone boosts your attractiveness more than you think. Another small detail that gets ignored a lot is your lips. Dry, cracked lips are a silent attraction killer. People don't point it out, but they notice it immediately. It gives off the impression that you don't take care of yourself, even if everything else is fine. The fix is easy. Use lip balm daily, especially before going out. Drink more water because dehydration is one of the biggest causes of dry lips. And stop licking your lips. It actually makes things worse. Healthy lips make your face look more cared for, more polished, and naturally more attractive. Most guys try to change everything at once. But the truth is, these small fixes alone can completely upgrade how your face looks. And once you get these basics right, everything else starts working better. Now let's get into the more advanced ones. You don't need a perfect jawline to look attractive, but you do need to make your jawline more visible. Right now, most guys hide it without realizing. Bad posture is one of the biggest reasons. If your neck is forward and your head is down, your jawline disappears. So fix your posture. Keep your neck straight and your chin slightly down. Another factor is bloating. Too much salt, not enough water, and poor diet can make your face look puffy. When you reduce that, your jawline becomes more defined naturally. And if you have facial hair, use it properly. A clean beard can enhance your jawline, while a messy one ruins it. Even a small improvement here makes your face look stronger, sharper, and more masculine. Now this is where most guys lose without even realizing it. Your facial expression. If your face constantly looks blank, tired, or awkward, people pick up on that instantly. It affects how they feel about you before you even say a word. You don't need to force a smile or act fake. Instead, relax your face. Slightly raise your eyebrows just enough to look more open. Keep your expression calm and neutral. Think of it as controlled confidence. When your face looks relaxed and confident, people naturally find you more approachable and attractive. Finally, your hair. This is one of the biggest factors, but most guys still get it wrong. Your hair frames your face. It can either enhance your features or completely ruin them. If your hair is flat, messy, or not suited to your face shape, it throws everything off. Start by adding volume on top. This gives your face better proportions. Keep the sides balanced, not too tight and not too bulky. And most importantly, choose a style that actually fits your face shape instead of copying random trends. Even a small change in your hairstyle can completely transform how your face looks. That's the difference. Most guys think attractiveness comes down to genetics, but it doesn't. It comes down to details. I personally started focusing on these small changes one by one, and it completely changed how I look and how people respond to me. People treat you differently when you look more put together, and it starts with these simple fixes. If you still feel like your face looks off, you're not unattractive. You're just missing the right system. Once you fix these details step by step, everything starts to fall into place. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.